Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're like me and thought that you were thoroughly cleaning your house with just using your regular items, you might need to rethink that. I was absolutely shocked and appalled at how disgusting my bathroom and kitchen area were. But notice how much cleaner everything is once I used this steam cleaner from MOVATEK. I love how this works. It has 6 different power settings. It also has a large container for holding water. That means that you can use the same container and clean for hours in your home without having to replenish it. Now, I have an RV stove that I'm pretty sure hasn't been thoroughly cleaned in like decades, and it is so gross. But I was able to clean all the grease off of the inside of it just using the steam cleaner. And I love that about this. I don't have to use additional products with it at all. It's just simply shooting steam at it to clean, and then you wipe it off with a cloth or napkin to finish the process. Now, my stove is never going to look brand new, but just notice the difference. This half I cleaned with a steam cleaner and this half I have not. This comes with so many useful accessories. I love using the scrubbers, and I can use this on pretty much any area of my home. I even used it to steam clean a stain off of my couch. Now, you're going to want to check the manufacturer's instructions because there are some things you don't want to use it on, but in general, I can use it on almost anything in my home, and it cleans it so well. I could not be more delighted with the cleaning capabilities of the steam cleaner. You're going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.